Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to see the next part of motions. In last video, we have seen about the linear motions and their types, uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Today we are going to see about the next part, that is non-linear motion. Yes, so if you are seeing linear means what, children? That is in the straight line. Yes. Yes. So, if you are taking non-linear means what it is, which does not is in the straight line. Yes, that is non-linear motion. So, what is the definition of non-linear motion? The motion of an object that does not move in a straight line is called as non-linear motion. Yes, it will not goes in a straight line. It may be of a different types. That is known as non-linear motion. So non-linear motions are of different types, children. We will see one by one. Yes, if you are seeing, now I told that it is not in a straight line. Here one example they given. Yes, that is when you are going in the park, then you are playing with swing, children. Yes, so the swing always come back from one end to another end. Yes, that is Yes, it takes about same time for each swing. Yes, like this. Yes, so or that is known as oscillation. Yes, so that motion is known as oscillatory motion. Similarly, the another example is there. You know that in old days or nowadays also the clock is there and down of that pendulums are there. Yes, so that pendulum's movement, if you are seeing, it will bring after 1 hour. Yes, so in that time also their motion is also oscillatory motion. Again, the wings of birds are there, the needles of the swing machines is there. Again, the vibrating diaphragm of tabla or drum. These all are oscillatory motion. Yes. So here, if you are seeing oscillatory motion means what? The motion of an body that is oscillating. Means they are swinging back and forth. That is known as the oscillatory motion. Yes. Now, next here, the examples of non-linear motions they have given here. Yes. First here just see. Yes. Here in circus they have shown both persons movement. Again birds it is there. Yes. Again merry-go-round is there. Yes. This fan is there. Clock is there. Yes. Giant wheel is there. So these all if you are seeing. Yes. You know that I will give a small example which is present in everyone's home, that is fan. Yes, how the motion of the fan, children? Yes, if you are observing the fans, the motion of the fan, it is a circular. Yes, so that motion is known as the circular motion. Yes, the motion of an object along a circular path, that is known as circular motion. Yes, here so many examples are of their circular motion. Yes, the hands of the clock, that also moves in the circular motion only. Yes, again the giant wheel is there, merry-go-round is there. Yes, these all. Yes, so these all are in a circular motions. So in day-to-day life, we come across many examples of objects that trace a circular path. Yes, so you know that another example you can tell your own. Yes, now if we see from these examples, some are oscillatory and circular. That some object complete one round or one oscillation in fixed period of time. For example, you take the clock's example. Here, minute hand is there that complete one round exactly in 60 minutes every time. Yes, their fixed time period is there. Yes, and if you are taking merry-go-round, that also complete every round in same period of time. Such motion is known as the periodic motions. So, in periodic motion, what is there? So, motion on object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period of means it having fixed time, fixed period, that is known as a periodic motion. It comes, it point out again and again after fixed interval of time. That is known as the periodic motion. Another example of periodic motion is the rotation of earth. Yes, that is also periodic motion. Yes. Now, here last one is that random motion. Yes, children. So, random motion, if you are seeing in the name only it is there. They have shown here two pictures just. Yes, here butterfly is there and the ball is playing with that football. Yes, from this you can understand that. So, random means what? It is not fixed, means it will change continuously. Yes, the motion of the object that changes direction and speed continuously. Yes, that is known as random motion. If you are seeing this butterfly, yes children, it will goes from this flower to again another flower. So its motion is not fixed, it changes its direction and speed continuously. That is known as random motion. Yes, again this football, if you are seeing the football, it will also change its direction and speed continuously. So whatever then, whenever the motion is changing continuously direction and speed, that is known as random motion. Understood about this random motion? Again, last part it is the speed. Yes, so if you want to calculate the speed, then what you are considering in that time, just see the distance transferred by an object in unit time is called as speed of that object. Yes, so formula of that is that speed is equal to distance transferred upon time required for that. Yes, so here one example they have given. A bus covers a distance of about 200 kilometers. What it is? 200 kilometers. From Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. So, how much distance does the bus cover in 1 hour? Yes. So, for that solving this example, you have to take the ratio of distance and the time. Yes. For that, you have to take the ratio of the distance upon time. So, what is the distance here? I will write here. Yes. So, first just see, wait. Yes. 200 it is the distance and time for it is of 5 hours. So 5 ones are 1, 5 fours are 20. So 0 as it is. So 40 kilometers per hour is the distance covered by that bus. So from this ratio we come to know the distance from that bus. So here it is the distance covered by that bus. So yeah, the unit of speed it is kilometer per hour. If it is given in meter, then meter per second. Yes. So this is about the ninth lesson, motions and types of motion. So in this lesson we have studied about the types of motions, definition of motions, in that linear, uniform, linear, non-uniform linear motion, oscillatory, circular, periodic and random motion, and lastly about the speed. Yes, today we will stop here. Okay, thank you, bye.